And then I added the bathroom, like the ensuite bathroom, and the master bedroom closet. So I just built this closet with Reed and Chris out of that Tefisa product. And so now I'm gonna have a whole Japanese like closet where everything, I can hide everything in here.
Right.
And so I've got like, you know, these little drawers and then the corner units, and I was supposed to leave this side of the closet empty for the man, you know, for a man to possibly come into my life.
Oh, really?
What does a mom do when she wants things done right? She does it herself. My name's Rebekah. I'm turning this house into a home to give my daughter a brighter future. As a single mom, you get used to calling the shots. And you tend to be a little hands-on. That's why they call me DIY Mom. One of the things I am most excited about in renovating this house is creating a master bedroom ensuite. This will include a bathroom and a walk-in closet. So even though it's extending my renovation timeline, it's going to be well worth the effort in the end. When I opened up the main floor, I was careful to save these beautiful French doors for a project down the road. I love mixing the old with the new, so I'm going to incorporate these French doors into my bedroom design. I'm anxious to get this bedroom closet completed, so Reed and I spent the morning designing and making a plan. I have a beautiful light gray melamine product from Tefisa that I'm really excited to work with.
You call it melamine or melamine?
I say melamine, but that doesn't mean it's right. Yeah.
I want to get the most out of this 5x8 space by creating 2 corner cabinets and a bank of drawers.
If I only end up using this much of the closet, then I have all this space left for the possibility of a man coming into my life.
Right. Yeah.
Maybe he'll want some closet space, right?
Yeah, you can put him in the spare bedroom. Yeah.
Well, you know, he might start off in the master bedroom and then later with the spare bedroom.
Yeah.
The design has everything I want in a closet, so I'm off to Robert Burry to pick up my materials.
Thanks for all your help, Melissa.
Yes, no problem. Thanks for coming in.
Thankfully, my dad is here to help me unload all this heavy product, and now we can get started on our project. First, we measure and mark the inside of the closet with a level. After cutting the Tefisa boards, we secure the edge banding on with some spray adhesive. Next, we put together the corner cabinets.
It's 4 o'clock and I have nowhere to sleep. By 5 o'clock, all my carpenters will be leaving. And if I don't have anywhere to hang my clothes, I'm gonna lose it, or I'm gonna have to blow my nose, 'cause I've got no closet. I've got no dresser drawers. I don't have any space to hang my clothes, and I can't go to sleep if I can't dress myself tomorrow.
I send Chris off to build me a bank of drawers. But while I wait, I decide to motivate my carpenters with a little tune.
Closet. I got no closet. I got no closet. Yeah, you gotta have that. You guys have to have the action. Yeah. Do a little. We have to practice a little. Oh my God. Little backup dancers. Shoot, shoot. Do I shoot, shoot, shoot? Do I got no closet? 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 The new hit single, I Got No Closet.
Good, you should record it. Of course, you'll have a closet by then.
Yeah.
After all, it is my birthday, so I'm going to pop over to my childhood friend's shop, Poppy and Olive, and get myself a dress.
I've known Rebekah since we were young in elementary school. We go way back. Our daughters are best friends. They really enjoy one another.
We've got lots of things.
Yeah, I know. We'll just wait for her.
Got lots of awesome stuff that I want to try on.
There's always room for one more outfit.
I got rid of a lot of clothes, but I still have a lot of clothes, and I just feel like it's getting kind of full, and I don't have my drawer set yet. Once I have my drawer set, I can put things in the drawer, but I think for now I just need to put all my plaids on this side. They have good male energy, right? Try this on.
Yes, I want to see. You gotta twirl.
My little party jacket
I love it.
with the suspenders.
Yes, perfect. Great outfit.
Just ready to go to the Single Mom Awards.
Yes.
Now that my closet is complete, I can finally start to organize my clothes. Chris did a beautiful job on the drawer set, and the light gray Tefisa product makes for a sleek finish. My closet is complete, and all my clothes are moved in. It might have been a little ambitious to think that I could leave half the closet empty. For my master bedroom ensuite, I am designing a European-style everything wet bathroom. Creating a self-draining tile floor is the trickiest part of this project. It means leveling out the floor and creating a slope to the drain. After that is done, we waterproof the whole bathroom to prepare for floor-to-ceiling tiles.
This master bathroom is going to take a lot of time and work, but I think it's going to be really dramatic and cool looking, especially with this beautiful black hexagon tile that I love. I picked it up from Wacky's Flooring.
With small tiles like this, it's easy to drift, so follow your chalk lines to keep everything square.
You can create all kinds of different patterns with hexagons, which is really fun. So say I want to create a flower pattern, I can get 3 flowers out of each sheet. There's a flower there, there's a flower there, there's a flower here. I'm just going to flip it over and I'm going to cut a flower like this. This is going to fit beautifully here in my floor. So I have a bit of a flower pattern when you come into the toilet room. We've made some good progress on the master bathroom. The floor tiles all installed and grouted, and now we're working on the wall tile. We're using these really big white subway tiles. They're 8 inches by 20 inches. You know, it's really hard to get a tile like this that's gonna sit really nice and straight. They all have a different kind of bend to them. The best option to make it look really consistent and to get a really nice clean option is to do your tiles stacked. So you can stack them horizontally, you can stack them vertically. So these will go all the way up to the ceiling, all the way around the shower and the bathtub and by the double sink vanity, and it'll be a really sleek, modern look for this everything wet bathroom. There's a few different ways that you can put tile on a wall. You can put your wall mortar right directly on the wall, which is a lot faster, but with this case, since I'm working with such uneven walls and these large tiles, the second way of doing it is to put the mortar directly on the tile. I'm just flat troweling the wall with a little bit of my mortar so to make sure I get a good adhesion when I put my tile on the wall. Because I'm gonna put my mortar directly on the back of the tile, I wanna make sure it's gonna stick. You're using the teeth of your trowel to get a nice even distribution of your mortar. So then you can take a little piece of your cardboard that your tile came in. You can use it as a spacer. You can even use it to clean up your edges. Using my sponge with some water on it just to clean up my mess as I go. So I want to build it out using my mud to help create a level effect on the wall. Okay, and just keep going for 200 square feet, and it's no problem, right? My master bathroom is so close to being done with these gorgeous cabinets that were installed by Aya Kitchen and Bath. The beautiful walnut floating cabinets really play off of that black and white bathroom and this natural wood that I have in the master bedroom. With those vanities, plus that beautiful countertop from Jade Stone, and with these custom blinds from Budget Blinds, I have this great look in the bathroom that matches my master bedroom, but also gives me that privacy that I need in the bathroom.
Working on this ensuite bathroom was a completely different experience than reinventing the old. Part of the design aesthetic is to have this new bathroom fit in with the old home. The perfect opportunity to incorporate some vintage lighting I've been collecting. Starting from scratch certainly has its challenges, but the reward is features like a standalone tub, a floor-to-ceiling glass panel for the shower, and a toilet closet for added privacy.